Hello everyone, myself Karman Shetty. I'm a BTech graduate in mechanical engineering. After my graduation, I studied my SBDED in Industrial Safety and NIFS Visakhapatnam. Recently, our college organized a campus recruitment. In this recruitment, I am selected as a HSC engineer. Thank you NIFS for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Hi, my name is Vigorous Practical. I passed my SBDED in 2022. Today, NIFS conducted my home group's interview. In this interview, I selected as a safety engineer. Thank you, NIFS.
My name is P. Durga Prasad. So I have studied advanced diploma in fire and safety in NIFS Hyderabad. So I got placed in my home constructions in safety engineer training. Got good package in that. So thanks to NIFS.
Hi everyone, my name is Rasul. I am from Bihar. I study here NIFS safety department. I got selected in my home construction. Thank you for NIFS institute. There is a good environment of study, and every safety process is very nicely. They understand us. Thank you for NIFS. Thank you for my job.
నా పేరు సూర్యకుమార్. నేను ఎన్ఐఎఫ్ఎస్లో ఏడిఎఫ్ఎస్ కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. నేను మై హోమ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాను. మంచి ప్యాకేజీతో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎన్ఐఎఫ్ఎస్.